everyone, welcome in today's lesson, and today we're going to look at how to use practice. Practice in Luganda is okwegezamu. So what is to practice? To practice, it means an activity to improve a skill. Once again, it means an activity to improve a skill. This means that you carry out that activity day by day such that you improve a skill. For example, when you're learning how to write, so you practice using the pen or a pencil every day such that you grasp the ideology of writing. So the same thing here. So practice, it means an activity to improve a skill. And this in Luganda is ekikolwa ekyongera kukumanya kwo. Ekikolwa ekyongera kukumanya kwo. So the task you carry out such that you develop your skill is practicing or to practice. Ekikolwa ekyongera kukumanya kwo. Okay, so how it's used with tenses. Engeri gye tuzikozaamu ne tenses ez'enjawulo. Remember, we have present tense, past tense, and future tense. Let's first look at the present tense. How do we use practice with the present tense? And present tense is divided into simple tense and present continuous tense. Once again, present tense, bongera ne bagimenyamu ebiwayi bibiri. We have present simple tense and present continuous tense. So they are somewhat different. Present simple tense and present continuous tense. So with present simple tense, practice changes to yegezamu. Present simple tense, practice will change to practices. Practices in Luganda is yegezamu. Once again, with present simple tense, practice changes to practices. So when you're using this with present simple tense, you're going to say practices as we're going to sing. Practices in Luganda is yegezamu. Yegezamu. An example, we have Joan practices netball every day. So with this present simple tense, it happens every day. For example, Joan practices netball every day. And this in Luganda is Joan yegezamu buli lunaku mukubaka. Once again, Joan yegezamu buli lunaku mukubaka. So she does it every day. She does the activity every day. So Joan practices because of daily activity, because every day is the time of event of the action. So in this case, Joan yegezamu buli lunaku mukubaka. Hope we are together. Okay, let's go to present continuous tense. With present continuous tense, practice changes to practicing. You drop the E and add ing. So with present continuous tense, practice will change to practicing. Kwegezamu. Kwegezamu. An example, Joan is practicing netball now. So the activity, you do it there and then is present continuous tense. So practicing. Joan is practicing netball now. Right now, Joan is practicing netball now. And this in Luganda is Joan ali kwegezamu mukubaka kati. Joan ali kwegezamu mukubaka kati. So Joan is practicing netball now. Joan ali, because of is, Joan ali kwegezamu mukubaka kati. Hope we are together. Those are truly fair now. Okay, so that is how we use practice with present tense. Let's go to the past tense. Past tense, it talks about things that happened in the past. An example, with past tense, practice will change to practiced. You add on the ed. Practiced. This is past tense. Yegezezamu. Yegezezamu. So this is double Z. Yegezezamu. Hope we are together. An example, she practiced yesterday. She practiced yesterday. And this in Luganda is yegezezamu ejo. Yegezezamu ejo. She practiced yesterday. Another example, he practiced playing the drum. He practiced playing the drum. Yegezezamu mukuzanya engoma. Hope we are together. Yegezezamu mukuzanya engoma, playing, mukuzanya engoma. So that is how practice changes with past tense. Let's go to the future tense. With the future tense, remember we said it talks about things which will happen in the future. And here we use the word will. Will practice. Ajja kwegezamu. Hope we are together. So with future tense, practice we change to will practice. An example, he will practice tomorrow. He will practice tomorrow. And this is ajja kwegezamu because of will. Ajja. Ajja kwegezamu. An example, ye ajja kwegezamu enkya. He will practice tomorrow. Ye ajja kwegezamu enkya. Okay, hope we are together. Okay, so that is how we use practice okwegezamu in Luganda with different tenses. Remember, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Welaba.